Today I'm replacing the boards on this old deck. I've got to pull all of these old nails out, and they've been in there for about 20 years. Most of them are sunk pretty deeply. This job would take a long time, and it would be difficult if I wasn't using this. Watch how fast this goes. So this is the grip end. The harder you pull, the harder it squeezes. The handle slides just like a slide hammer. In fact, that's the function of it. To get the grip end down below the surface, you use the handle as a slide hammer, just like that, and it drives the grip down below. These are 3.5-inch nails that are designed not to come out. If you don't have to hammer it in, it goes even quicker.